And so this is second video. In this video, I will not open the cardot, so I never use this red and black cable. This side cable. I don't use this cable. Okay. And this is unlock is the PKE is working because LED is blinking. Okay. Yes, read the LED. Yes, it's okay. Press for the brake. Yes, start. On. This is successful. On. Light keeps on. Start the LED on and off. Okay. Successful. You can check this steam button. Okay, it keeps on. Light keeps on. Now to start. Please check and take two smaller key away from this menu. I just take away two smaller key away from PKE antenna. It is the outside range of PKE induction. Okay. Now this is stop watching. Please wait 1 minute and 30 seconds, and then you press for the brake. Try to start again. Okay, try to start again. We will check if it makes alarm or not. Okay. Please wait. I will check and check alarm or not. Please wait almost 1 minute and 30 seconds. PKE remote is away from the immunity. It is out range of PKE induction. When you turn off the engine, you take away the smart key. PKE is disabled. I have new. Okay, now yes, it can start. Okay, then it can start, but don't worry, it never make an alarm. But you stop and you stop engine, you will hear beep sound. It is in arm. If now you want to press down again, it will make alarm. It will make alarm. Yes, make alarm. Ready off. Yes, engine is immobilizer. Yes, and it will be off. Yes. Thank you. Bye bye.